I began to wear glasses when I was 6 years old, and I started wearing hard contacts when I was in my early 20s. So I had worn hard contacts for 45 plus years.
Probably should have worn glasses all of my life. I've worn them since I've been about 18.
I've had glasses since I was 3 or 4 years old. And in fact, if you rubbed your hand across here, you would find an indentation.
I like to do a lot of sewing, and I had to quit a few months back because I couldn't even thread the needle.
He gave me the news that I was a good candidate for lens replacement. I started crying. I don't know where I got the idea that I was not a good candidate, but when he told me that, and I started crying.
I have never let anybody cut on my eyes before. It's always been one of the phobias I've had. As nervous as I was before the surgery was actually very easy.
I was apprehensive, a little scared, but there was nothing to it.
So quick. You know, we're talking about a minute underneath the laser. And after I had my right eye fixed, oh man, the left eye, I wasn't worried about it at all.
It was a miracle. I have never been so thrilled in my life to have a procedure done because I can see. It's like I can see when I was 5 years old, and it's just remarkable.
My driver's license, which I got at 14, had with corrective lenses. The other day I went over and had them removed.
I'm seeing without glasses. I don't have glasses all wet in the rain. I don't have glasses all fogged up when I walk outside. So overall I'm delighted and I have great expectations to see without glasses for the rest of my life.
I went from seeing nothing, I had a negative 10.5 prescription, to seeing 20/20. So for me, I get a little upset. For me, it's a miracle.
I'm doing my sewing.
Extremely pleased and very, very happy with Dr. Sanders and his fabulous team.
The one thing that I was really impressed with was the classiness and the professionalism of the entire staff. It made you feel so comfortable, so easy.
Dr. Sanders is great. I am just really happy about it. I'm really happy I did it.
It was just wonderful, and I am so happy that I did it. And I would recommend it to anyone who is considering having cataract surgery to visit with Dr. Sanders and learn what he can and will do for you.
Highly recommend Dr. Sanders. I'm very pleased that, to me, he's a miracle worker.